Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix SSL certificate error on Windows 11. Open time and language settings. Open inetcpl.cpl. Click Clear SSL State. Check SSL 3.0. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.